What's up? Your morning, your hello, you're sleeping, your better wake up. Welcome back to Licia Life and Travel. I am Licia, a lifestyle and travel vlogger. In celebration of Liberia's 178th Independence Day, the Liberian Community of Guangzhou, China, held a vibrant indoor event at Mommy Liberia, the first Liberian restaurant in Guangzhou, owned by one of their own. This gathering was a beautiful way to support and showcase a Liberian-owned business, creating a night full of color and culture. The evening began with a praise and worship session led by the first daughters, followed by an opening prayer and the singing of the Liberian national anthem. Next, the host, Mommy Liberia herself, delivered a warm welcome speech, which was followed by a brief address from the chairman, Jerry B. Mulba. To add some excitement, Vice President Wale Alicia Loveland, your own Licia, conducted a fun Liberia trivia quiz, engaging the crowd and sparking lively discussions. As the night progressed, the celebration transitioned into hours of Liberian music, dance, and networking, keeping the energy high until the wee hours of the morning. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the video.
This is the day that we all dream of in Guangzhou. Let us all work together. That unity is strength. There is strength in unity. We took over to unite the community so that we all can have a moment like this. A moment we all can come together and knock bottles. The moment that we all can come together and shake hands. The moment we all can come together and hug one another. Despite our differences, we look into one another's eyes or faces and say, hey, we are Liberian. That's what matters. The flag. What's our flag? The flag is our national anthem. Let us unite. Let us not divide the community. We are too small. We are one of the smallest population in Guangzhou. Let us all come together. Let us all serve. Let us all work together. Let us enjoy ourselves. Let us repeat.
Liberian president was Africa's first elected female.
Pegar bicho para ganhar. Aí
was Liberia founded with help from? Okay, the last one. What do the 11 stripes on Liberia's flag represent?
The 11 women are
Independence. 11 women are independence.
11 women since St. Louis, the other people in the South of independence.